So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can identify country of origin on your iPhone. So first of all, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now here tap on general and then tap on about. Now here you will see the model number of your iPhone. Here note down the two alphabets next to slash. For example, here it says HN. After this, go back to the home screen. Now open the browser on your iPhone. Now here search for iPhone region iPhone wiki. After this, tap on this first link that appears. Now you will see a list of all the regions with their country code. For example, here is HN and it says the region is India. Now this means this iPhone is manufactured in India. Well, you can also identify country of origin of the iPhone from the box. For example, this is the box of my iPhone 16 and if you look here, it says assembled in India. So this is how you can identify country of origin on iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.